Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I have a video for most of you girls that I know you're at home because of what's going on and the situation with the coronavirus. I can say that it's definitely has opened my eyes, and I'm sure it has opened everyone else's eyes, that life it's pretty short, and if you want to do something, just do it, because it has motivated me even to do things that I thought I never would have done. But in regards to that, I just wanted to do a short video in regards to hair, because I've noticed that a lot of you guys that follow me already are really interested in hair and how to maintain maybe blonde hair, or how to even get it back to the to like a natural, like a soft and like a healthy way. I really do have a product that I've been using recently, and before I even jump into this video, I just want to say that, you know, I'm acknowledging everything that's going on. I actually work at a news station, so I am still working. I'm not in quarantine, but my job has taken precautions. It's really insane. I'm actually thinking about doing a video in regards to that, because honestly, wow, there's only like 5 people per shift. But anyways, I just thought I could make a video just to get our minds a little bit out of the situation that's going on in regards to like the coronavirus and all of that. But if you guys are home and you know, I think it's a perfect time to just prep your skin. And you know, even if we can't go outside, it doesn't mean you can't get ready. Look at me, I don't have my hair done, but it's because this is why I'm doing the video today. I'm gonna show you guys a way that you guys can, you know, just be at home and take care of yourself. You can literally take this time, I feel like, to think like you're in a spa. Take care of your skin, you know, take care of the kids if you have kids. Take advantage of the time. If you have a significant other in your household, take this time to literally show how much you guys love each other. So in regards to this video, it's in regards to my hair. It's looking a little crazy right now, but it's because I literally just washed it and that was all. But why is it that I don't know if I'm the only one, but why is it that your hair feels the best when it's not? Here comes my niece. You wanna come inside? Do you wanna say hi? Come inside. Come here. Come here.
No.
Yeah. So behind these little videos, I have a 10-year-old niece, and yeah, she wants to say hello. So basically, I have blonde hair, and blonde hair can get mistreated like really fast. Even with the video that I posted recently, that I know have gotten like a lot more views than all of my other ones. Yeah, I literally using that product. It is bleach, and you know, you are damaging your hair. So basically, I found this really special product, and it is called Silicone Mix. Basically, it looks like this. If you want to take a picture of it, this is a treatment for your hair, and let's see, it claims to restore the health, the shine, and the softness of dry, damaged, and weak hair. Which I can say, I can speak for this product. Like, it has helped my hair so much. Literally, the only thing I can say is it's not a product to use every day, because it does have what is it called? Yeah, it's silicone, literally. So it does weigh down your hair. But literally, I just used it a couple hours ago, and as you guys can see, my hair is literally flowy and everything. And there goes my knees. Me, I have straight hair, but with all of the tools that I use, like curling in and just doing a lot of like straightening, it literally, you know, the texture stays in your hair. So I guess this is my hair today when I washed it, and I let it air dry. But I can definitely say that this product is awesome. It literally has a scent that is so good. I don't know, but my eyes look kind of washed out here. But anyways, in regards to the video, literally I opened this, and oh my god, it smells really strong. Illy, what do you think you would, come here, smell this for me really quick.
Wait.
You don't have to be in the camera, she's a little shy, but I'm gonna let her smell it, because it's like a Basically the smell is like clean linen. If you guys like that type of smell, like in candles or in fragrances for your home, you will like this for your hair. It just, if you can get past the smell, I feel like you would really like this product. Basically, once again, it's a treatment. It's an intensive treatment, and it's silicone mix by the brand Avanti. You ready to smell it? All right, tell me, what do you think this smells like? What do you think it smells like?
Soap.
Like soap, right? Yeah, so it has this soapy, clean linen smell. But honestly, I walk past my job, or even after I wash my hair, if I go downstairs right now, my mom is like, oh my god, what's that smell? Or even people asking me like at my job, like, what kind of perfume do you use? But it's because of this. Even 2 days, 3 days after you use it, it leaves a strong scent in your hair. But in regards to the, you know, to the job that it claims to do, I feel like it does do a great job. Like, I've noticed a significantly like change. Here's my TikToker over here. But yeah, if you guys are looking to, I mean, I'm pretty sure, you know, we're all stuck at home, and if you're just looking for, oh god, do you want to be in the video?
No.
If you guys are looking, you know, to just have a little spa day in your home or anything like that, and or you guys feel like your hair needs a little like revive, like literally look, this is my hair. I got out of the shower, and yeah, it looks a little bit crazy, but honestly it feels so healthy. So yeah, if you guys need a really good intensive hair treatment, I would use this. Put it in your hair for at least, the product says 2 to 3 minutes, but I will leave it on for even longer, like 10 minutes. It's not gonna damage your hair or anything. I would use this product if you need a new baby in your life. I would really recommend it. But yeah, I just want to thank you guys all so much for watching my video. And I do acknowledge that I'm a little out of breath. I don't know if it's because I have to get used to, you know, or maybe even the way that I'm standing. But anyways, I just want to thank you guys for tuning in and watching my video. Tune in for my next video, because I will be giving you guys a tour of my local job. I work at my local NBC station, so I feel like, you know, I just want to show you guys how intensive it is. Like, literally the first day I went in, I had an assigned C, and everyone literally is like corner to corner. So yeah, just stay safe, everyone, and literally we can literally save the world if we just stay in and watch Netflix. Like, how amazing is that? I mean, it's not amazing with the things that are happening at all, and you know, I feel bad for all of those people, even nurses, and especially that, you know, have to still work. I still have to work, and yeah, just stay safe. And thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to like my video and leave me a comment if you have used this product, if it's working for you. I've been using it for about, I'd say like 3 months, and actually I like it. Like, it's not messing up my hair or anything. So yeah, I would like to know what any of my subscribers are using this product, and what way do you use it. Don't forget to subscribe, and forward this message to anyone, or this video to anyone you think that's looking for a new hair treatment. But yeah, it's made in the Dominican Republic, and I hope you guys like it.